Look good.
All I'm seeing is dust.
Okay, is dust a feature on this model?
Okay. So no dust.
Yeah, we could,
Why don't literal horses to represent the horsepower? Horse metaphor.
Ow. Now, who has seen that done before?
good to have options, for sure.
Dad, I might be coming for your job.
Well,
If it weren't for the pay cuts. I mean, am I right?
We closed on the Palm Springs hospital.
Hi, sorry to interrupt.
Go ahead. Roll.
All right, everybody, let's go.
and by 6 seconds. We've got
What's with beads? It's like everyone is something.
Yeah, no, we really cannot promote a lack of time management skills.
Absolutely not.
On time is on brand.
Well, the next scene with the 70s Corolla is more about safety than time. Remember?
Yeah, us, a sleeper in distress.
What's a sleeper?
You know what?
Yeah.
I love it.
Call the elderly woman a sleeper, okay? How about drowsy?
Kelly. Welcome to the team.
Sleepers in distress.
Why do you like that? What's happening?
Oh, well, it's time to wake him up.
Wait.
Am I right?
More GR.
Drift.
Can I get a walkie-talkie? All right, that's enough. That's enough. 2 wheels? This is a wheel drive vehicle. Wheels or no wheels? Period.
Oh, and no wheels?
Copy that. What a massively overlooked feature, huh?
On board.
Nicely done.